Recently, Vivo has launched smaller version of Vivo V19, that is Vivo V19 Neo. So hey guys, this is Anjali and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to talk about the specs, feature and price of the device. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let's begin with the body of the device. Let's start with the thickness of the device. It comes with 8.5 mm of thickness, which is pretty slimmer device. Talking about the weight of the device, it have 176 grams of weight, which is a lighter device. And about the protective glass in the device, it have Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which is older generation at this price. Let's talk about the build quality of the device. It have plastic back with plastic frame. And about the SIM option in the device, it have dual nano SIM support, which is common. Moving to the camera features of the device, let's start with the rear camera of the device. It have quad camera setup, 48 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of micro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. The camera module is great. It can give you more clear photos with great quality. And about the front camera of the device, it comes with 32 megapixel of wide camera, which can take great photos in good lighting, and in low light there will be little noise because of f2.5 of aperture. Let's talk about the camera features in the device. It have LED flash, HDR and panorama, which is pretty common in the devices. And about the video recording features in the device, it can shoot 4K video at 30 fps and 1080p video at 30 and 60 fps. At this price, I would be great if it have gyro electronic image stabilization feature. Moving to the display features in the device, let's start with the screen size of the device. It have 6.44 inches of display with punch hole display, which is good thing. And about the screen to body ratio of the device, it have 84.9% of screen to body ratio, which is common thing at this price. Let's talk about the display resolution of the device. It comes with Full HD Plus display with 409 ppi of pixel density. And about the display type, it have Super AMOLED display, which is a good thing. Moving to the performance of the device, let's start with the operating system of the device. It have Android 9, that is Pie. And about the user interface of the device, it have FunTouch UI, so the Android version that it have is older, so it's a drawback here. Let's talk about the processor of the device. It have Snapdragon 675 having 11 nm of chipset. And for the GPU of the device, it have Adreno 612, which is older generation of chipset, but it can give you good performance. Let's talk about the clock speed of the device. It can clock at 2.0 GHz based on octa-core Kryo 460 Gold chipset. And about the RAM of the device, it have 8 GB of RAM option, so it is better for multitasking. Let's talk about the internal storage of the device. It have 128 and 256 GB of UFC 2.1 of storage. And about the external storage option of the device, it have micro SD XE card slot option, so it's a good option for those who wants extra storage. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, it have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot. And about the Bluetooth of the devices, it have 5th generation of Bluetooth for better connectivity. Let's talk about the GPS of the device. It have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS. For USB port, it have 2nd generation of Type-C connector with OTG support. Moving to the some of the important features of the device, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the device. It have under display fingerprint scanner, so it's a little bit slower physical scanner, but it's a great feature. And about the sensor of the device, it have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass. Let's talk about the battery of the device. It have 4500 mAh of lithium polymer battery, which use in capacity, which is good for longer usage. And about the charging of the device, it have 18 watts of fast charging. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the device. It have normal speaker. And about the headphone jack of the device, it have 3.5 mm of headphone jack. Lastly, let's talk about the price of the device. In international market, V19 Neo starts from $350 and in Indian market, V19 Neo will be available from 27,000 rupees. So the decision is totally yours. This device, you like it or not, and let me know in the poll, do you like this device? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video to your friends, and what's your thoughts in the comment below. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our page Tech Dad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Anjali and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.